How do I annotate types in a for loop? I want to annotate a type of a variable in a for loop. I tried this but it didn't work. What I expect is working autocomplete in pycharm March 2, 2016, but using pre-annotation didn't work. PS pre-annotation works for pycharm is greater than or equal to 2017.1.
According to PEP 526, this is not allowed. In addition, one cannot annotate variables used in a for or with statement. They can be annotated ahead of time, in a similar manner to tuple unpacking. Annotate it before the loop. pycharm 2018.1 and up now recognizes the type of the variable inside the loop. This was not supported in older pycharm versions.
I don't know if this solution is PEP compatible or just a feature of pycharm, but I made it work like this. And I'm using pycharm Community Edition February 1st, 2016.
This works well for my pycharm, using Python 3.6.
Although I prefer to use type hints when possible, using assert ice instance ... could be an alternative solution workaround to achieve the same benefits, that is, proper syntax highlighting and auto-completion in the IDE. I don't know if this works in pycharm, but it does work in Visual Studio Code. Obviously, adding the assert has an effect on the code, and this might be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on your use case. It is definitely not the same as type hinting, but as a side effect it seems to have the same benefits.
Another technique, more consistent whether your object is dynamic in the for loop declaration or found in an outer scope, is to annotate the outer type, not the inner type. Your original version. Suggested version, x1. Suggested version, x2. At least within Scode, this seems to properly detect the type of I as int, having peeked into the list, int, annotation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.